Hi class, welcome back to lesson 4. In this lesson, I want to share with you the impact that your required minimum distributions at the age of 70, or pension if you have one, might make on your Social Security taxation. So let me go back to our example of Bill and Janet that we started at the beginning of this retirement taxation masterclass, and let's use their example to see how it impacted them. As you can see from this chart, we want to look at the age 65 and the age 70 for Bill and Janet and seek to understand the impact of their pension and their RMD at these two time periods. So let's start with their age 65. Remember, for Bill and Janet, this is the year that they stopped working and started their Social Security benefits. On the left-hand side, you could see that their Social Security benefits fill up that whole graph. They have $30,000 of Social Security benefits. Because of their pension, they are taxed at 51% of their Social Security benefits. So you can see at the top of the graph that $2,600 is what they actually paid on taxes for their Social Security benefit. So that we can determine that because of their pension, the impact was $2,600 of taxes paid. Now, if we look at Bill and Janet in their 70th year, that's when their required minimum distribution started. And that's when it bumped their provisional income up and caused 85% of their benefit to be taxed. Now, this expanded or grew the percentage of their Social Security that they had to pay tax on. That's where you get that $4,300 that was actually paid out in tax. So essentially, because of their required minimum distribution, an additional 30% more was taxed in contrast to what their pension was. In summary, you can see that the negative impact of Bill and Janet's pensions on their Social Security taxation was that $2,600 was taxed. And then you could see that the impact of their RMDs was an additional $1,700 of their Social Security was taxed. Ultimately, for you, as we compare it against Bill and Janet, the goal is to reduce the percentage of Social Security that is taxed each year. Great, let's jump into the next lesson.